So this is the clip that she sent me, which, by the way, let's play it live on stream. Here we go.
What the?
Her?
Oh my god. Is that how Kamimi snores?
I thought there was construction outside.
Holy hell, that's so loud, dude.
Sounds like my grandpa.
Oh my god, shut up. Get over yourselves. Okay. What do you mean you snore loud as hell? No shot, you just said that. No shot. Loud ass snore. Honk shoe ass snore. You do though? Okay, brother. Okay. You sound like my dad? Shut up. Oh, bro sounds like a pig? Yeah, I do. I fucking do. That's because I am a pig. Haven't you seen... Sorry. My fault. Okay, let me show you guys. Stop talking! No, Mitchie, why? No way, I can't. It's so loud. Oh, Mitchie, I saw what you said to me right before you left the call. I love you. Haha, no, you didn't. Focus on the snore. You're so sweet to me. I don't want to think about the snore. Why was it literally so loud? I'm so embarrassed. And then I was told by some insiders that it was fake, and that's not my snoring. Someone edited the sound over the clip. You fucking puta! I thought it was real! I can't believe this, dude. I cannot believe this. And so, here is what it really sounds like. Abba! Sorry. Look.
Twitter, Kamimi was snoring.
I'm exposing them for defamation. Here we go.
Can someone clip this and then like edit up the sound effect of the snoring button and post it on Twitter, and I'll send it to Kamimi and being like, dude, you fell asleep on... Alright, okay. Are you ready?
You're for evil.
Okay, just edit it and add like the snoring sound effect, like the ugliest one you can find.
I
Okay?
can't.
Clip it from now. Yo, is Kamimi snoring? What the?
Her?
Oh
And it's just completely silent. It's literally so silent.
my god. Is that how Kamimi snores?
I thought there was construction outside.
Holy hell. Kamimi was...
So basically, Mitchie and Melody were talking about NSFW things on stream. They were doing like an educational NSFW stream, okay? And I genuinely had a real question. And so I told Mitchie in the chat, like her chat, I said, I have a question to Melody. And they invited me to the call, even though that's not what I wanted. But I joined the call anyways, just to ask it. And so I asked the question, and then, you know, they answered it. And then they started talking more about NSFW things. And just listening to them talk, I became so comfy because I love their voices and I feel comfy around them, very comf. And so I put my head down, and all of a sudden I saw darkness. And so this is what happened, okay? This is what happened.
How Indo is. Indo is very, very hospitable. Oh my god, did Kamimi just snore? We didn't have to edit this one.
Wait, let me turn it up. Wait.
They are sick. They turned off the fucking music so all these people can listen to me. It's not fair. Are you serious? $9,000 people. 9,000 people were listening to me. Fuck! Oh.
What if our silence wakes her up?
Like watching baby birds hatch.
It's so beautiful.
What the?
It's beautiful.
I'm just sleeping. What do you mean?
I'm gonna grab a snack. 1 second.
I get louder as soon as she leaves. I'm charging up my ult. Oh. Good God gracious me. What the fuck is Mel doing? She's just like bird watching. That's what she said she's doing. She's reminiscing in the sound of my honk shoo, my me. You know, I literally went into whose chat did I go into? I think it was, I don't remember who. It was someone, and literally people in chat were calling me Kamimer, like this. Kamimer. Kamimir. What the hell? If you guys start calling me that, I swear to God, you're going to suffer the consequences of my wrath. Shiver me timbers, first time message. Shiver me timbers. Hi, Camila, shut up!
It does sound like a cat purring.
Bro, what the fuck is that? It does not sound like a cat.
The cutest sound.
Oh my God.
What did I miss?
Why does she have to sound cute?
Brother, man.
Got cereal just for this.
She got a snack.
I sound like a monster and she sounds like a cat.
Oh, bro, I just sleep talk. I sound possessed. I
Oh,
start talking about like the shadow creatures.
the shadow.
Well, of course, the night terrors. This is cute. That's
She does
unfair.
sound cute.
Damn it. Yeah, it's like ASMR. That's unfair.
What?
Should we let her just be here?
This is just a whole segment. I'm not even kidding. They literally sat here for 30 minutes and just listened to me and just like talked to me in my sleep. They made it a whole thing. They could have just left the call, you know? They could have just left and continued on. But no, they made content out of my eeping, my pleeping.
And snore all day?
Yeah. Cute.
I don't want to wake her.
My face is so red, chat.
6 in the morning. 9,000 people on 2 streamers listening to someone sleep. This is peak content. This is peak. It was all leading up to this.
Yep. This is the content we all want and love.
What do you bring to the group?
It's Mimi snoring debut.
This is the most beautiful thing.
Gorgeous.
Just like a healthy heartbeat.
Oh my God, it's louder. It's louder.
Turn it down a little bit.
I'm keeping it up.
Bro, I never
She
sleep like this. 'Cause
Mitchie raised the volume of my eeping. She literally raised it up.
night terrors? So sad.
Someone just said Kamimi about the alt. Is this weird that we're listening to this? I feel like a stalker.
Yeah, you guys are. You guys
I
are.
also feel like a stalker, yeah.
10 months with my adorable
Like
snoring
when
Oshi
when her
mothers.
face is on
Thank you. Wait a minute. Hey.
touching the keys. That's really cute. Damn it. So it just says
Oh, what was that? What was that? Hello?
if
What was
Camila
that?
says it says the launch codes, I'm gonna mute it immediately.
Camila,
Oh.
what's your credit card?
Card. Funny little numbers.
Money.
Give me money.
To Michi for
Really
Botox.
wanna give money to Michi right now?
Botox money.
She's gotta focus on Botox. You gotta make her focus on the money.
Yeah, to get the money for the Botox.
No, just get the money. You gotta infuse it in her dreams, you know?
Give it to us. Credit card.
I love money, dude.
Money,
like,
money,
bro,
money,
it is.
money, money.
Like, I love money.
You went there.
Bro, I love how I'm literally just. I'm not even like. I don't even know what's happening. I'm just.
It was very fun. It was very funny.
I can hear
At
shifts
least it was
around.
just you snoring we heard. Unlike Cotton the other day. Aware?
What happened with Cotton? Did she fart? I'll be honest, chat. I'm so glad they didn't hear my gasping for air. Because you know how I choke sometimes in my sleep? I'm so glad that it didn't happen.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make him.
From the snoring,
'Cause literally-
it seems like you have a light case of sleep apnea.
Shut up. Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Do not say that.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make him. Camila, you're obsessed with us. You love Melody. You love Michi. You love us so much. You want to give us money.
Gamer subs. Gamer subs code Mel. Code Mel.
I like how Mitchie keeps saying money and Mel just has like Botox, gamer subs.
Gamer subs code Mel. Code Mel.
What's your credit card info?
Oh,
And the tiny numbers as well.
And the expiration date.
Yeah, you need to know when it expires.
Tell us.
they're so dumb. They're so stupid.
I thought you woke up. Money. Camila, you want to give me money so bad?
I'm over here taking a nap right now. I got pillows under my head right now. I'm sleepy as fuck, man. I'm a snooze, man. Vianchi.
Cotton might have forgotten to mute when she went to fry chicken.
Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, goodness. I'm over here taking a nap right now. I got pillows under my head right now. Shit, man. I'm a snooze, man.
You want to give us money so bad right now? Right, Camila?
It's been like 6 hours.
Oh, my God. The
Yeah,
spam.
true.
Holy shit.
Camila, you want to give us money? We have to do it in a way where like Camila would like it. What does Camila like? Something that
A
would
lot
make
of
Camila
things.
excited.
What do you mean? What do you mean, Melody?
Do it.
What do you mean, Melody?
Really? Like what?
Mel?
Like, I swear, Camila never tells me any of this. I mean, I've never
That
asked.
was pretty kinky.
Mel!
Really? Camimi?
Got interest.
Okay. You know what's crazy about this? You know what's so insane about this? Mel, like, has known me for a long time. And Mel, like, was, like, my friend when I was, like, during my, like, freaky arc, you know, where I was like, oh, being freaky equals content. Oh, yeah, look at my ass, you know, like that type. So she knows a lot about me. And Michi, I became friends with Michi, like kind of semi-recently. And she's seen, like, you know, my changed side where I don't try to do that often anymore. So she's, like, surprised, and she's, like, she knows, but she doesn't know. Does that make sense? So this is how I know it's working, because Michi's surprised that I'm like that.
Wrists? That was pretty kinky.
Camimi?
Come, Amy.
She got interests. Pretend to be a Starion. Perfect.
I don't even
Quick,
like
be
Asterion. What?
Oh, fuck. Oh,
Whose idea was
shit.
that?
Oh,
Ban
shit.
that guy.
You got this.
Oh, darling.
Oh.
I just started dreaming of Asterion, but he looks like a duck. He's just at the duck version. Oh,
I feel like such a creep for just listening to her snore.
Should we hang up? I don't know.
How many DMs does it take to wake Camila up? The buzzing is me. I think she's like fast asleep. Maybe we should just hang up then and then go to the Vishojo.
finally. Leave, go. What is that top left video? This one?
I want to use my chibi model for today. I kind of
Here, I'll just skip to the good part. Bald. Oh, here. You should put those on with the cat ears. Okay, I had to look for it. Did you not see me like literally look through the video? I didn't know exactly where it was. Shut up. I did not know where it was, guys. I don't know, man. No, I didn't. I literally looked through the thumbnail to find the bald. Oh my, what's funny, little bro? Okay, brother. Whatever. Can we rub our bald heads together?